Hi, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Felicia. Thank you for stopping in. And I just want to welcome all our returning subscribers. You already know you are fabulous. And I just want to welcome all our new friends that have recently joined the Felicia by the Seasons family. Thank you so much for clicking that subscribe button and welcome to the family.
We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
So in today's video, we're going to be continuing my summer decorating series, and I think this is part 4. We won't be using any lemon or bee decor today, but we are going to be introducing some nautical decor. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the area we're going to be decorating today, and all the items that you see currently are going to remain because I've removed all the other decor. I'm just going to quickly clean this area. We're also going to be decorating my chairs here. We're going to clean those up as well. And I'm also going to be decorating that bar stool. So I've already got my little step ladder, as you can see right there. That's going to be my little assistant. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So I'd like to show you before I start decorating any area the items that I'm going to be using. And as you can see, I have a variety of items here. I am going to be using my blue and white pottery here. I have a small collection of those. And I'm also going to be using some white hydrangeas. I love decorating with those. And I also have some, as you can see, I have my little starfish here. And I have my little anchor. I have some greenery. I have this beautiful wicker basket here. And so that's basically what I have. And I also have this little blessed sign. And we're also going to be adding a wreath as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add my wreath to this hook right here. And I'm just going to place that in place. All I did was add this very simple ribbon. So let's go ahead and install it.
So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So I'm going to add the taller pottery on the left side and the shorter one on the right. Okay, so I've installed the first one. So let's go ahead and install the second one here. This is a little bit shorter. And I'm just going to take it and put it on this side of the lamp. Just like that. So now I'm going to address the center portion of the mantle here, because I thought about putting a lot of florals on my mantle, but I decided not to do that. So I'm just going to put a simple floral arrangement in the center. So now I'm just going to add this simple monochromatic arrangement of white hydrangeas, and I'm going to place this in the center. Up next, I'm going to take this simple sign and add it to the very top of this mirror here. So now we're going to decorate the bar stool here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add this basket that I showed you in the items that I was using today. So let's go ahead and get that done. So now I have added this basket or rattan tray. It was a new purchase, by the way, from my local Burlington store, and it was less than $10. So the next item I'm going to be adding is this heavy marble tray, I guess you would call it. I'm just going to put that in the center. So I've placed the marble tray or riser, and it is very heavy, by the way. And I use this to kind of keep this tray because it's lightweight into place. So I'm going to add a lantern and some greenery to this ensemble here. So this is the lantern that I'm going to be using. I'm just going to put it in place. It's very kind of maybe farmhouse style, I guess, because it has the chippy paint and everything. So yeah, and I'm just going to set that at an angle, as you can see. So now I'm just going to add this greenery here, and I'm also going to attach a anchor right here on this lantern. So now I've added both my greenery here and my anchor, as you can see, on the lantern here. So now I'm simply going to take these white starfish, and I'm going to use 3, and I'm just going to layer them on that marble tray. Just kind of set them, no rhyme or reason, but just kind of anchor them to give it some more visual interest. And that completes my vignette. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to address both of my captain chairs here. And I like decorating them. I'm going to add those white pillows back, but I'm also going to add an additional pillow. So I've added back my white pillows, and this is actually a pillow cover. And I really enjoy these. They give me a lot of texture, but I just want to add a little bit more to welcome the summer season. Now these are the pillows that I recently purchased from my local Marshall store. They were $19.99, and I love them. Sunflowers are my favorite outdoor florals. And so I tried my best to find a pillow cover, and I searched and searched and searched, but I could not find any sunflowers that were kind of muted yellow like this one, and with the colors that I needed with the greens and very soft. So I ended up purchasing these. So I'm going to go ahead and place each of these pillows in each of these chairs. So I've added in the pillows to both of my captain chairs here. I absolutely love them. So now I'm going to give you a final reveal of the complete look.
Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Butterflies in my stomach, butterflies in my chest. Heartbeat like a bird that's humming. Trust your words cause you know me best. Let's take a walk down a brick road. Click your heels and you'll be there. I want you, do you want me to? Once you hear the rhythm playing, promise you won't be complaining. I'll be here for you if it's for you. Once my body gets to swaying, promise you won't be complaining. And I'll be saying, yeah. Can I dance for you? Would that be cool? Can I dance for you?
If you enjoyed this video content, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just click that subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss a single episode, click that little red bell, hit all, and Every time I upload a new video, you will receive a notification. I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel today. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye, guys.